4.1b, mean and missing value problems. If we know the mean of a set and all other numbers of the set, we can find the missing value from the set. So let's go through a couple examples. Example 1, find x if the average of x, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is 4. So what we do is we use the formula for the average, which is the sum of all the numbers. So x plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. And we divide by the number of numbers in this set. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. And the average is equal to 4, like stated above. Now this is just a basic algebra equation like before. So first off, we want to get the 5 out of the denominator of the left-hand side. So why don't I multiply both sides by 5? So if I multiply both sides by 5, times 5 divided by 5 cancel, and 4 times 5 is 20. So we end up with x plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 equals 20. Now to get x by itself, all we have to do is subtract each number. So if we minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, and minus 3 from both sides, so minus 6, 5, 4, and 3, we end up with x equals, so this becomes 14, 10, 5, 8, and so x ends up being 4. Oh, I'm sorry. So x ends up being 2. So we found a missing value from a set if we know its average. Let's see where this might be used in the real world. I measured the length of 3 welds to be 4 meters, 4.2 meters, and 4.7 meters. What does the weld length of a 4th weld have to be to have a 4.5 meter average weld length? So the first thing we want to do is write down our average formula. And that's going to be the sum of the 4 welds. So it's going to be 4 plus 4.2 plus 4.7 plus x. And then this whole thing divided by the number of entries, so there are 4 entries, has to equal 4.5. So that's what's at stake. So the first thing we want to do is multiply 4 by 4.5. So we multiply both sides by 4. So the 4's cancel on the left-hand side, and we're left with 4 plus 4.2 plus 4.7 plus x equals 18. And then we want to subtract each of these from both sides. Minus 4, minus 4.2, minus 4.7, minus 4, minus 4.2, and minus 4.7. So 18 minus 4.7 minus 4 minus 4.2 is 5.1. So our 4th weld would have to be 5.1 meters in order for the average weld length to be 4.5.